In today's video, I'll be showing you an evidence-based strategy on how to grow your small account into a very reasonable amount of money trading forex, guys. In this video, I'll be showing you two powerful rules that you can apply on your trading account and you're gonna make reasonable money from the market. We have the chart rules, we have the psychological rules, and also in this same video, I'll be showing you my evidence on how I trade these small accounts into reasonable figures in the market. I don't just want to come here and tell you everything without showing you evidence, guys. So I have my evidence and I'll be putting it in this video so you can also practice the things I do in the market and get reasonable results from the market also, just like the way we do it in this market. So let's get into the chart. Let me show you my chart rules and how I apply them on the market also, so you can also look into the market and see how I do these things and learn from it and also do the same thing, because it works for everybody. It's not meant for me only. As far as you're trading, this strategy works for everybody, guys. So let's get into the chart. Let me show you my chart rules in the market. Then after that, I will show you my psychological rules in the market, because psychology comes first whenever you want to do anything in the market. But before we get into the chart, if you're new to this channel, just hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also drop a comment after watching the video so that more people can know that what we are doing here is making sense. And also don't forget to register with the best broker, which is Drive, guys. Drive is the best broker whereby you can trade your currency pairs and also trade your synthetic indices using this same broker, guys. They give you that privilege, they give you the opportunity to do all these things once and for all. So I have my link in the description, I have my link in the comment section, wherever you want to pick it from. Just go and register with Drive and make reasonable money from the market also, guys. This is the best broker that I'll ever recommend to any trader right now. So let's get into the chart.
Yeah, welcome to the chart. This is how to trade your small account into something reasonable, man. Like, look at this place whereby we're kind of having a trade right now, where the trade is kind of going well for us. I never wanted to post this, but I think I should make a video for you guys so you guys can learn from the video and know how we flip little accounts. So look at what's going to happen in this market. Just like the way the market is moving to the upside, if you have been a trader for some time, you know that this is a continuational pattern, and this is our major area where we expect the market to get back to. This is a daily time frame, and we have to kind of know where the market is actually getting to. Then we can know what we are going to do in the market and what we are going to skip in the market. So look at the daily time frame right now. This is our major block in the market, this 8072.8. that's the major place we're expecting the market to drop back to, but not now. Look at this place. This place is like another block in the market, and the market needs to get this place smashed out before we can do anything in this market. Then once the market breaks that zone, we expect the market to reverse to this downside, which is our 8072.8. that's the place that the market is going to reverse to, but not now, because we still have our first move solid in the market, and the market still needs to break it out for us to have this entry. So we're gonna expect the market to still have some continuational patterns, just like the way we can see in this place. You can see this place, the market has locked it up. You can see this other side is locked up already, and you can also see this side whereby the market is trying to move it right now. So we're expecting the market to get back to this 8312.6, or the market gets back to this 8285.8, which is our plan B in this market. So what we're going to do right now is go back to the lower time frames in order to make sure that what we are doing in the market is actually accurate. So whenever you want to trade your small account, you want to grow them or you want to flip them, you have to also make sure you go to these daily time frames to get the overall trend of the market for that day. So get back to this H4 time frame right now, which is the second place whereby we're gonna get an entry from. So looking at this place, you can see what the market is doing right now. You can see we have a trade that is running down, and that trade is going to smash at TP. That's a very short trade for me, and I don't even need to shake my mind about that. So this is what's going to happen here. You can see this place whereby we have this 8285.8. although I've taken these trades already, so it's just like I've placed it already, waiting for the market to just get to this point. But let me just try and see if I can kind of explain it a little bit for you to understand. So look at this place now. On the normal, it's supposed to be around this place. Then as we go to the lower time frames, we keep dragging it to get to the exact point whereby we know that, yeah, this is where the market is gonna use and get us to that place we want to see ourselves in this trade. So looking at this H4 time frame also, you can see the continuational patterns around this place. You can see this place in the market whereby the market just broke a little bit, got a retest, and the market continued pushing to the upside also. The market also came back to this place and got another retest around this place. Then from here we also got another move to the upside. You can also see that this place again, there's a retest around this place, and this place is locked up already. That's why this place is our plan A in this market. So looking at this, our plan A in this market, we have drawn our line already, but we'll still explain it as we go to the lower time frames in order to make sure that what we're doing in the market is actually accurate. So let's get back to the H1 time frame. So looking at the H1 time frame also, you can also see the continuational pattern. This is a very good uptrend, and what we're expecting right now in the market is for the market to keep going to the upside. So see what the market is doing. You can see that place whereby I told you that this is gonna be our entry around. That's our second entry. So I'm gonna drag it up a little bit to this part. This is where I expect the market to reach before the market can do anything now. This is where I expect it to reach. You can see that candle around that place. So the market is not even expected to break that place, talk less of coming to this downside whereby we have another line. But we have to kind of drag it to this place, which is where we're expecting the market to get to right now. And if you look at this place also, you can see that this market is locked up around this place. You see these two candles looking like a pin bar around this place. That's a very powerful candle in the market, and it's telling us that the market shouldn't even break that place. But if at all the market breaks that place, the market shouldn't break this place. That's our plan B. That's why we always have to have our plan A, and we always have to have our plan B in the market whenever we want to do anything in this market. So looking at that place, we have to place our tool around this place, because this place is a major point in the market right now, and this one is like a minor point to it. So we expect the market not to break this candle around this place in order for us to get that perfect entry that we're looking for. But let's go down to the 50-minute time frame immediately in order for us not to waste too much time while trying to get this. So look at what's going to happen on the 50-minute time frame right now. If you look at this place very well, you can see that these candles are trying to tell us that this market is in a reversal point right now, and we're expecting the market to a kind of reverse to some certain levels in the market before we can continue buying in this market. So look at where we drop our TP around this place. Look at the other candle whereby we're expecting our market to get back to. You can see this place in the market. We just have to drag it up a little bit in order to make sure that what we're doing is perfect. So look at this place right now. We don't expect any market to come around this place again and break it. So we're expecting the market to just come around this place, then from this place we'll keep pushing the market to the upside. So that's what's going to happen in this market. And if you can see very well, the market is dropping already. So we're expecting the market to drop to that side, then from that side we will push the market to the upside again, because this is still a very good uptrend, and in uptrends we expect buys in the market, not sells. So we're going to take this reversal pattern in this place, and we're going to take it down to this our TP. That's where we just want to take our profit. We don't want to be too greedy on this market. Okay, so we're going to take our take profit around that place and make 28 bucks out of the market, while we are risking $4 in this market. So that's how the thing is going to be like. So if you are trading a small account now, account of $20, $30, $50, you can just use these small patterns in the market and still get a lot of money from the market. Imagine the numbers of trade we took around this place, eating our TP around this place. We are still gonna make a lot of money from the market, not less than 100, not less than 200, using this small account that I'm trading right now. So that's how to trade your small accounts.
Few minutes later.
So just like the way I said before, that we're gonna make crazy profit on this market. You can see what the market is doing already. You can see that this market is dropping massively already. So look at this candle I just dropped right now. Look at another one trying to drop again. Let's see how this one is gonna be like. If this market just dropped to this side again, we're gonna close our positions and take our profit. But right now we are up 200 and something dollar plus already. You can see, just like the way I told you before, look at our TP here, look at our SL there, it's still there, and we're not going to touch it. We're going to allow the market to smash the boat for us. So let's see what the market is going to do right now. Let me show you how much we're making on this already. So you can see it, we are up 300 and something already on this market. So we're making money from the market, and you can see it. We have evidence to whatever we're doing in the market, and you can see the evidence by yourself. So this market is still gonna smash our TP. That's what I can see. I can see the market smashing it already, man. I can see it, bro. So I don't need to even panic about this market. I just have to go and do the things that I have to do, then let the market do its things. So just like the way I've said before, it's gonna smash our take profit, and you can see that the market is very close to our take profit already. So we just have to close it for our TP, or just allow the TP to just get smashed. All the same, all good. But we can just leave the remaining people for the broker. It's nothing, guys. So look at how much we made from this trade at last now. So we made about 400 and something dollar on this trade only, guys. You can see everywhere is reading blue everywhere, guys. You will make money in the market if only you can follow up with your rules. So you can see the way we are following up with our rules, and you can see that we are seeing significant results in the market. So let's close this trade together once and for all. Alright, let's press on bulk operation, then we press on close all positions. Boom, we have closed the trade already, and that's all for today's market. So this is how to trade your small account perfectly and make reasonable money from the market also. Make sure you leverage opportunities that you see in the market. When you see good opportunity that you are very sure of, make sure you take enough trade that can sustain that account for a very long time. So by doing this now, we're going to grow our small account to some reasonable amount of money in the market. Then from our next trade, we'll start taking more and more trades. So that's how it is in the market. Whenever you're trading small account, make sure you just drag it from the higher time frames and bring it back to the lower time frames in order for you to make sure you know what you're doing in the market, and always make sure what you're taking is well calculated. Take well calculated risk in the market so that what you're doing in the market won't fail you. Don't stay on the M5, M1 time frames thinking that from there you can just be scalping little figures in the market and you make good money in the market. No, it doesn't work that way. Although you can still make money from that, but I won't advise you to do that. So that's how I trade my small accounts. Whenever I see good opportunity, I enter it with a lot of positions, and from that positions we get to make good figures in the market. Don't forget to register with my broker in the description and get account funded, because very soon we're going to start our trading challenges, and from there we're going to trade together and make reasonable profits together. So get ready for that. Make sure you register with my broker, and don't forget to join our signal group in the Telegram, so that whenever I drop signals in the market, you get to get those signals on time and trade with us also.
So right now, I want to tell you the psychological rules that you can apply whenever you want to trade small accounts, whenever you want to grow a small account, or whenever you want to flip your small account into reasonable figures in the market. So I'll be passing these rules to you right now, so you can get information and know what to do whenever you want to grow, flip, or trade any small account in the market, guys. So the first thing you have to do whenever you want to take any trade in the market is make sure you find the best possible trade ever. By doing this, you'll be able to find good opportunities in the market that can lead you to making reasonable figures in the market, and from there you can grow your account faster. Sometimes we do see opportunities in the market whereby we see the market going to the upside and we feel like buying at that point. I also see the market selling that is going to the downside and we just feel like selling at that point because we just saw the opportunities. So we have to just prepare ahead of that account. And sometimes before I even deposit any money into my trading account, I've also made sure that I've set up some trade. I've found out some good opportunities in the market that if I deposit this money into this account, I'm gonna see good returns if this market goes well for me. Because sometimes we might be right and the market might be against us, so we're gonna lose money sometimes. But mostly, if you find the best possible trade ever whenever you want to trade your small accounts, the possibilities of you getting that account to a bigger amount of money is very easy, guys. That's one of the psychological rules that you need to know whenever you want to trade your small account. So let's get into the second rule in the market. The second rule says that you should learn on how to enter and exit perfectly, because most times we find this very difficult in the market. A lot of people don't even know how to make entries in the market. That's why I see someone using the 4 hours time frame to make entries on an account of $10, $20. Bro, you're gonna lose that money. That's the truth about it, because if the market goes against you at that point, you're gonna lose the whole of that money. So whenever I'm trading a small account, the first thing I do is find my entries on the lower time frames, which is the 15 minutes, the 5 minutes, the 1 minute time frame. Mostly that's why I get my entries around. Then whatever I'm going to lose in the market, if that trade goes against me, it's going to be very little, and what I'm going to gain in the market, which is my exit plan in the market, is going to be very large, because my risk to reward ratio can never be the same. There must be a very big difference between my risk to reward ratio, and that's why I remain a profitable trader, trading both small accounts and big capitals in the market. So whenever you want to trade this small account also in the market, you have to make sure you look out for your entries around this M15, M5 and M1 time frame. By doing this, you get the best entries in the market and you're gonna cut your losses very short. So after doing this, we get to this part whereby you have to hold the trade, which is the third point on these psychological rules. Sometimes we do find opportunities, we do see good strategy, we have a lot of strategy that are working for us, but still yet we are not profitable in the market. Why? Because we are not holding our trade. So you have to learn on how to hold your trade, so that whenever you're holding this trade in the market, you know that you are not against yourself. It's not like you fighting yourself on either you're gonna make that profit or not. The fact that you can analyze the market and still yet rush to close your profit or close your loss or close the trade that is still running before your stop loss and your take profit is a sign that you are against yourself. So you have to learn on how to hold trades. wherever you place your stop loss in that market, let that place be your stop loss, and wherever you place your take profit in that market, let that place be your take profit area. By doing this, you'll be able to hold reasonable trades in the market, and you start seeing results in the market, because any trade that goes well for you is gonna give you good reward based on your risk to reward ratio. And if the trade goes against you, you're still gonna lose little amount of money, and by doing this, you're still gonna be very, very profitable in the market, guys. And also, the fourth rules to these psychological rules in trading small account is learning on how to be consistent with the first, second, and third rules. Don't forget, the first one says find the best possible positions in the market. The second one says your entries and your exit, and the third one says learning to hold the trade. So by doing these three things, you're gonna make more money than every other trader in the market, because this is the year and I want you to see reasonable results from the market, just like the way we are fighting for it also, and we're also trying to make reasonable money from the market this year. We have a very big dream from the market this year, and we're gonna try our best to make sure we achieve it. So we're gonna fight this together. Don't forget, you are not alone. I'm rooting for you guys. So that leads us to the last rule, which says that we should avoid the chart if we are afraid of the trade that we took. Yeah, sometimes we get into a trade and immediately we get nervous, we get emotional, and we start feeling like, oh my god, this trade is gonna go against me. You know, all those kind of feelings that you see whenever you enter a trade sometimes. So at this point, you have to kind of avoid the market, avoid the chart. Don't even look at the chart itself. If you're that kind of person that gets nervous whenever you place trades, then let the stop loss and the take profit do its things. These things are there for you. They are there to cut your losses short. They are there to make you profitable by eating your take profit. So you don't have to even panic at all. You don't have to panic. If you're that kind of person that used to panic whenever you open trades in the market, like the way I used to do before, I'll just leave my phone at home or leave my system at home, then I'll just go out and go and do other things. By doing this, I'll be less free from the market, and whatever happens in the market becomes the result of my own trade. Because sometimes we get the best trade, we get the best entries, we get everything the right way, but still yet, because we are afraid, we are going to close our positions earlier than the way we should have closed it. So we end up losing money in the markets. So you right now that is trying to grow a small account into reasonable figures from the market, I want you to make sure you follow these rules that passed you in this video, because if they are not important, I will never try to share it with you. So I'm using these rules and I still want you to use it. Let's make reasonable figures from the market this year, guys. So that's all you need to know about growing your small account. And make sure you hit the subscribe button so that whenever we start our trading challenges on this channel, you get notified and get to trade with us, because we'll be placing both signals on this YouTube channel and on the Telegram community also, because we'll be trading everything together in order to make sure that everybody gets to do the right thing at the right time. And don't forget to like and comment whatever you want me to teach you on the chart, so that once I'm reading through the comment section, I can get to know what you want to learn from the chart and create a video about it, teaching you that on that chart also. See you in the next video. Peace and love.